In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of Notion AI to streamline your note-taking experience. Notion, a versatile productivity tool, has introduced an exciting new feature that integrates AI capabilities right within your workspace. This cutting-edge functionality can significantly enhance how you manage ideas, draft documents, and organize tasks. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this feature. First things first, let's get started by opening Notion. Head over to Notion, so in your web browser. Once there, log into your workspace using your credentials. If you're a frequent user, you might already have this step memorized, but if you're new, Notion's user-friendly interface makes the login process a breeze. After successfully logging in, you'll be ready to unleash the power of AI. Next, you need to create or open a page where you'll interact with the AI. Look to the left sidebar of the interface, and you'll notice a button labeled A New Page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to name your new creation. A good start might be AI Notes or AI Assistant, whatever resonates with what you plan to use it for. Naming the page helps you easily recognize it later, especially if your workspace is packed with other important projects. Now, let's move on to utilizing Notion AI. Once you have your page open, click inside the text area where you'd like to begin. Here you have two options. Either hit the spacebar or look for the Ask AI button conveniently located below the page title. Clicking this will bring up a multi-option menu, presenting you with various tasks that the AI can perform for you. This is where the magic happens. You can ask the AI to write different types of content, such as blogs, emails, summaries, or a list of ideas if you're brainstorming. If you have a piece of text that needs condensing, choose the Summarize Text option. Perhaps there's a draft with errors that need correcting. Opt for the Fix Grammar or Spelling choice. With these tools at your disposal, let's try an example. You can begin by typing a question or a request directly into the space where you've engaged the AI. For instance, if you're drafting a new blog post but stuck on ideas, ask for some inspiration or suggestions. The AI will then generate text based on your input. Finally, once the AI has delivered a response, you have the opportunity to evaluate and refine the generated content. If the output aligns with your expectations and needs, simply click Accept to incorporate it into your page. If you'd like to build upon what's there, feel free to improve or continue the text. This interactive process ensures that your content meets your unique standards. And that's it. Embracing Notion. AI can transform your productivity habits, bringing efficiency and creativity to your workflow. Give it a try and see how it can work wonders for your projects. Until next time, happy organizing.